So there is one more question from Guru. So, sir, an institution offers CCNA in 40-45 days. Sir, an institution offers CCNA in 40 or 45 days with packet level training and job opportunity as final year eligibility targeting. Should I join it or focus directly on VPT? Yeah, institution like firstly, like I'll tell you one thing. Uh, like if you wants to get into like what's your main target? What do you wants to achieve in the career? Basically, see, there's a problem in India right now which is going around. So there's a lot of companies, those who are offering a lot of certifications which they are claiming to have in very less days. So see, we CCNA is like it can be completed in either 4 days. It can be completed within 6 months, right? So like it's depend on institution. So I'll tell you very frankly, you need to first check out what level of authority the institution is having, right? Do they have good feedbacks on the Google or not, right? So according to the reputation of the institution, just take the training. Otherwise, just don't get in a lure of like you'll get a job and all those things. They're not going to give you any job, right? But like I'll frankly tell you, just check the reputation of the institution, then only join. Otherwise, you are going to waste your time. You are going to waste your money as well. And see, like CCNA, like Cisco has authorized that institution or not, right? Because sometimes when you apply in any of the institution for the CCNA, then probably you'll get like CCNA practice certification, right? So that is not from Cisco. That is something they are preparing to train you related to CCNA, but that is different. So you need to take first if institution is credentials with Cisco or not. Second is what is the reputation of the institution, and third is like what are the feedbacks of the previous institute. So according to that, then only just take the training, right?